Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your 3DS is modded and has homebrew. This is necessary so the console accepts custom themes. Insert the SD card into your computer and copy the theme archive or CIA into the SD root or a /themes/folder so it's easy to find. Once done, make sure FBI or your preferred installer is installed on the device. It handles CIA packages. Now eject the SD and reinsert it into the 3DS to begin the install sequence. Boot the Homebrew launcher and run the theme manager if you have. Zip files, this app imports and applies themes directly. Alternatively, if you have a CIA, open FBI and install it to the system. This writes the theme package into the correct location. During either method, follow on-screen prompts and confirm installation. The software will write to NAND or the theme folder. Make sure battery is charged or use AC power so the process doesn't interrupt and corrupt data. After installing, open System Settings and navigate to the Themes menu to preview and apply your new theme. This confirms everything wrote correctly. If the theme won't load or causes glitches, remove it, restore the original theme files from your SD backup, and reinstall cleanly. Corruption during copy is common. Once done, if problems persist, rebuild the theme database in Homebrew or restore a NAND backup you made before modding. This protects your system from persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.